case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2006, the New York Court of Appeals heard the Bard v. Jahnke case, which focused on a farm owner's liability for harm caused by a domestic animal with dangerous tendencies. Larry Bard, a carpenter, was severely injured by a bull named Fred while repairing cow mattresses at Reinhardt Jahnke's dairy farm. Bard sued Jahnke for negligence, arguing that he should have been warned about the bull's presence. The lower court ruled in favor of Jahnke, but Bard appealed the decision, citing that Jahnke had a duty to warn him and was negligent in not restraining the animal. While working on the farm, Bard was accompanied by another carpenter, John Timer, who had guided Bard through the barn, but did not mention there was a bull in the area. The Court of Appeals ultimately affirmed the appellate division's order granting summary judgment to Jahnke, ruling that he was not liable for Bard's injuries. The court maintained the traditional rule, stating that an owner is only responsible if they knew or should have known about the animal's vicious tendencies. Since Jahnke wasn't aware of the bull's vicious tendencies, the court declined to consider negligence as a cause of action in this case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.